Hello.
Hello.
These are our rooms.
This is my room.
I live in one of Furnald's doubles. So Furnald is made up of mostly singles, but on every floor there's about 3 doubles. So as you can see, we have 2 wardrobes, desks, and beds. And my favorite thing about these rooms is that they're incredibly spacious.
So this is one of Furnald's singles. It's very spacious for a single, so I really enjoy all of the space that I have. It comes with a bed, it comes with a desk and a chair, and it also comes with a dresser underneath.
This is a single on floor 4. One of the things that I really like about it is that I can just raise up my bed, so I have a lot of storage space underneath here. There's plenty of wall space for like decorations, art that I made, band posters, AC, which I really appreciate. I have this really nice view of campus, which is great.